this an intro?
I don't know.
What's up, everyone?
This could be an intro.
Welcome to the UK Shooters vlog for Halloween 2022. Hashtag UK_spookers.
I feel like there's so many of us now.
We've expanded recently. I've got a mouthful of muffin. And I've got stuff on me. Oh, I'm an absolute mess. Let me finish this. So we actually have an extended UK Shooters team now. So this is a really good opportunity for you guys to meet some of the new team.
My name's Arthur, and yeah, I'm the new intern.
And we also got Max and Truman.
Oops.
Time for coffee.
2 hours before the meet started, all the models and makeup artists started arriving and getting ready for the event. There were 7 incredible makeup artists who created a unique look to more than 15 models. We have how long till the event starts? 40 minutes left, so let's update you on some of the makeups.
I've done my own makeup and it's just beautifully done.
I think this is the most extra makeup in this room.
So is mine, look at that.
Yeah. Wow! Oh my god, that's sick! The way that light is coming in is just, I'm speechless. I feel like in a music video right now. I feel like everyone does.
Cool, so this is going to be the first and only time we go over the plan, because it's going to get pretty hectic in the next little while. It's 1:30. Ideally, we are letting people in. Fred is on the door.
Hello, we just took the group shot.
Wow!
Oh, they're cool.
If you zoom into me on the last one, look at my legs.
Wait, that's
Like a frog.
impressive.
Action! Let's go!
Oh my!
Guys, energy, let's go! Nice one, everyone!
Show us for the vlog.
Exclusive.
Oh my god, that's so sick.
We then started scanning tickets and letting people in.
Okay, first one. Thank you. I missed it, sorry.
It was so cool to see so many familiar faces, but also many new ones. The thing is, mine's full.
Now we're going to do a group shot with all the models here in the main room. Everyone else is waiting out there to be let in.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much for joining us for our Halloween event 2022 with Sony Alpha. I've now lose my voice because I haven't got my megaphone.
Okay, that was good. That's probably the best yet. I love that.
Let me show you around. In this room, we have a little setup. There's some smoke and stuff going on around. Some green and red lights for the Halloween theme. Photographer's getting in there, like directing and everything as well. My job today is to capture stories and stuff of the models. So I'm gonna do that right now, and you're gonna watch me do this. So I've got a model here. I'm gonna get my phone up, 4K 60.
Then it was time for the community to get some smoke grenade shots and for us to ask them the question of the day.
We're going to a Halloween party. What are you wearing?
Oh god, maybe Freddy Krueger? It's going to be a white bedsheet and some black sunglasses. I'm going to look like a ghost.
Have you seen The Nightmare Before Christmas? You know the Oogie Boogie Man?
Yes.
Oh my god,
Okay, shooters, hoodie.
That's a good
Scary,
answer.
eh? Is
That's
it
a really
scary,
good
eh?
answer.
Myself, hoodie, shorts. You got to be comfortable.
This event has been incredible so far. There's so many people, good vibes. What do you have in your hands?
I've got the new Sony ZV-1. Unreleased. Not out yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've been attending to pretty much every single UK Shooters event ever since I started my bachelor's pathway back in 2017.
Legend.
Before we ended the event, it was time to announce the pumpkin carving winner.
Thank you so much to all of the amazing models. We also had a pumpkin carving competition. We now have the winners.
Drum roll, please!
There it is.
Drum roll!
So you get to pick if you like the phone or if you like the headphones. So.
I'm shooting with Sony, so
Okay.
I'll be fine Sony.
Okay, amazing.
Congrats, my guy.
Thank you.
Drum roll, please!
they still here? Oh, brilliant. She's in the pub. So
She's in the pub. Nice one, Georgina. Lovely jubbly.
We only had we had 2 prizes from Sony basically, but we also saw some really cool girls trying to bring them out. We've got UK Spookers here, we've got the UK Shooters logo. Whoever did those, you're gonna get UK Shooters merch. Thank you so much to everyone that came to the UK Shooters event 2022 Halloween.